Hey y'all, oh my god, I said y'all.
That's my girl.
Oh, pretend that didn't happen, and listen to what I'm saying right now. Some of you have seen around the Tumblrs and the Twitters, Cassie, Dan, and I have been posting things called Unblock a Smile Trap, and I bet you're wondering what Unblock a Smile Trap is. Well, today I would like to announce that Unblock a Smile Trap is a podcast, featuring Dan Resler, Cassie HP0593, and I, that we've just started. We recorded our first episode, and we posted it on our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/unblockasmiletrap. And we also have a Podbean, so you can download and listen to said podcast whenever you feel like. It is our first episode, so we are looking for feedback. But we hope you enjoy and subscribe and listen and do whatever you do with podcasts. I really don't know. I'm new to this too. And yes, thank you very much. And I will see you guys in a real video sometime next week. Okay, later days.